The city of Zurich, a global center for banking and finance, lies at the north end of Lake Zurich in northern Switzerland. The picturesque lanes of the central Altstadt, Old Town, on either side of the Limmat River, reflect its pre-medieval history. Waterfront promenades like the Limmatquai follow the river toward the 17th-century Rathaus, town hall. The Grossmünster is a Romanesque-style Protestant church in Zurich. It is one of the 4 major churches in the city. Its congregation forms part of the Evangelical Reformed Church of the Canton of Zurich. The Lindenhof is a moraine hill and a public square in the historic center of Zurich. It is the site of the Roman and Carolingian-era Kaiserpfalz around which the city has historically grown. The Fraumünster is a church in Zurich which was built on the remains of a former abbey for aristocratic women which was founded in 853 by Louis the German for his daughter Hildegard. Inside are 5 beautiful Chagall stained glass windows that he made in the 1970s. Definitely worth the visit for those who like art. The Swiss National Museum, part of the Musée Suisse Group, itself affiliated with the Federal Office of Culture, is located in the city of Zurich. The Zoo Zurich is a zoo located in Zurich, Switzerland, and together with the Basel Zoo is considered one of the best zoos in Europe. Opened in 1929, it is the 3rd oldest zoo in Switzerland and it accumulated a collection of 2,200 specimens of 300 species by its 75th year. The Kunsthaus Zurich is in terms of area the biggest art museum of Switzerland and houses one of the most important art collections in Switzerland, assembled over time by the local art association called Zürcher Kunstgesellschaft. The Zurich Opera House is an opera house in the Swiss city of Zurich. Located at the Sechselautenplatz, it has been the home of the Zurich Opera since 1891, and also houses the Bernhard Theater Zurich. It is also home to the Zurich Ballet. St. Peter is one of the 4 main churches of the Old Town of Zurich, Switzerland, besides Grossmünster, Fraumünster, and Predigerkirche. Peter and his brother Andrew were fishermen on the Sea of Galilee and were the first 2 disciples to follow Jesus. After Pentecost, Peter became the leader of the apostles and traveled through Palestine and Asia Minor where he worked multiple miracles and converted many followers. The Uetliberg is a mountain in the Swiss plateau, part of the Albis chain, rising to 870 meters. The mountain offers a panoramic view of the entire city of Zurich and the Lake of Zurich, and lies on the boundary between the city of Zurich and the municipalities of Stahlekan and Uitakon. The Rietberg Museum is a museum in Zurich, Switzerland, displaying Asian, African, American and Ocean art. It is the only art museum focusing on non-European art and design in Switzerland, the 3rd largest museum in Zurich, and the largest to be run by the city itself. The Botanical Garden of the University of Zurich is a botanical garden in the Swiss city of Zurich. It was opened in 1977 and is located at Zolliker Strasse in the Weinegg quarter of the city. The Chinese Garden is a Chinese garden in the Swiss city of Zurich. It is a gift from Zurich's Chinese partner town Kunming, dedicated to the 3 Friends of Winter.